Have you ever wondered about bone spurs in your feet? Hi, I'm Alaina from Marino Physiotherapy to show you about the foot. So on a foot, if you take a look here, all right, so this is a right foot. Here's the big toe, here's the big toe, and here's the pinky toe. And if you look at it from the inside, you'll notice there's a nice arch here. And what happens is from the ball of the foot under the arch to the heel, there's a tissue. It's called the plantar fascia. And what happens is if you're putting extra stress through the foot where that arch is dropping, or maybe you've changed shoe wear or changed running surfaces, or maybe you've just gotten a little bit of weakness in your hips and your legs that are putting extra stress through there, what'll happen is it'll start to pull right down here, and it'll pull right against that heel bone. And what happens, just the same as if someone were to pull my hair, you'll notice that'll actually pull the scalp up. Same thing happens when a tissue attaches into the bone. Over time, if it keeps pulling, that bone will actually develop an extra little bit of bone under here to accommodate for that extra stress. So if you see a bone spur on an x-ray, that does not mean that you're doomed to a lifetime of pain or even that you need surgery. It does mean that you need to take a look at the forces that are going through your foot and make sure that you're doing things appropriately with good control as you're walking. If you have issues with that, that's the time that you probably want to get together with one of our physical therapists to do a full mechanical assessment of everything from your hip all the way down to your toes and make sure that you're not missing any pieces of the puzzle. But if you unload those tissues appropriately, that sore spot will settle down and you can start to get rid of some of your pain. I hope you found this information helpful. For more great tips and tricks, visit marinophysio.com and have a great day.